Hey everyone, today I am trying to show you how you can do assembly programming of 8086 on Android devices. We need three things: a DOS application called FreeBox, and an 8086 assembler file, and an editor file called Quick Editor. Okay, let me show you how you can download FreeBox from Play Store. Okay, search FreeBox. Okay, download it. I have already downloaded. Then I'm going to show you how it looks like. So, okay, this is how it looks like. And the second thing is you have to download an 8086 assembler file. You have to download this from this website. I am going to give you this link on the description box. Then you have to download it. Okay, I have already downloaded. Then open the file manager. The download, I have already downloaded the zip file, so you have to unzip it. When you unzip it, you will get a folder like this. Okay, there is a folder 8086 inside. Then you have these things. Check, you have link.exe, you have debug.exe, and you have masm.exe. Okay, you have it. Now you have to cut this 8086 folder to downloads. Okay, and I have already cut this. Okay, I have everything inside. Now download the Quick Editor from the Play Store. It's an optional thing exactly, but we need to for easiness of the program. So Quick Edit, right? Download the editor called Quick Edit. I have already downloaded it, so open it and type the program as you want, and here save it. And this is very important. When you save it, you have to save it inside the downloads. We have inside the downloads we have already created a folder called 8086, so you have to save all the files inside the 8086 folder. Okay, now name the file as hi or hi, whatever you want, but the extension should be ASM because we are using or we are doing the assembly level programming or assembly programming. For all the assembly programs you need .asm as your extension. Okay. Now open your FreeBox, select the keyboard, CD 8086. So you will direct the path to 8086 folder. Inside the 8086 folder, we just save the program that we want, and I have already saved a program called test. So in order to run the program, first you need MASM space test.asm. Okay, enter, enter, and enter. Now you have to link the object file of that program. So this will be like link, program name is test dot, the object file should have the extension obj. Okay, link test dot obj, then enter, put some entries. Now you have to execute the program, so you have to write test.exe, so you will get the output, welcome to MASM programming. Okay, this is as simple as it is. You have three things to do. First, assemble the program using the command MASM space prog, the name of the program .asm. Now you have to link the object file of that program, so you type link space name of the program .obj, that's object file. Now you have to execute the file. For that you have to write the name of the program. Here the test is the program, so test.exe. So it will execute and you will get the output. Okay,